So if you are in a situation where you've got parents or loved ones around you that are asking you like, what are you doing? What's your plan? If you don't have one and you don't know where to start, it can feel super suffocating and super overwhelming. I want to invite you to look at this situation from the perspective that those people in your life are asking those questions because they love you. Deep down, they really want you to know what you're passionate about and be actively pursuing that in your life. And so if you don't know what that is, if you don't even know where to start, alone time is the best way to get to know yourself. So my invitation for you is to write down what are the ways that you enjoy spending time alone with yourself, and how can you start planning to do more of those activities, because in those spaces, when you are enjoying yourself in solitude, tend to be some of the greatest, clearer ideas of what we love and what we want to pursue next. That'll be your guidance.